Hello everyone, I'm back with another practical QA tip. Today, we're tackling a common real-world challenge. How do you test APIs when there's little to no documentation? It might sound like a nightmare, but trust me, with the right mindset and approach, you can turn this into an opportunity to sharpen your skills and add real value to your team. Let's dive in. First things first, start exploring the API using Postman. Begin with safe GET requests to understand the structure and behavior. Hit known or shared endpoints and pay close attention to the status codes, headers, and especially the response body. Even if there's no formal documentation, the response data often reveals field names, data types, nested structures, and relationships. It's like reverse engineering the schema. Next, move to the browser's Developer Tools, Network tab, or inspect front-end code. Many times, front-end apps make API calls, which you can trace in the network logs. This can show you headers like tokens, request structure, and even sample payloads. Similarly, partially working Swagger UI, if available, can give hints on request methods, expected inputs, and parameters, even if the schema is broken or incomplete. Now, it's time to experiment. Try different HTTP methods: post, put, patch, delete, but always use test data to avoid damaging production or shared environments. Modify request bodies slightly to test how the server reacts to missing or incorrect parameters. The goal is to identify required versus optional fields, validations, and error messages. This gives you a sense of how robust or brittle the API is. One often overlooked tip: reuse existing collections. Many testers or developers might have already worked with the API, and their old requests can be a mine of insights. If you're lucky, they might even have tests or descriptions embedded. Another essential step is communication. Don't hesitate to reach out to developers, BAs, or the product team. Even a 10-minute sync-up can clarify authentication methods, hidden parameters, or edge cases. In undocumented environments, collaboration becomes your best documentation. If you have access to logs, either application logs or server-side, use them. Logs can tell you which validations failed, how the backend processed your request, or if there are hidden dependencies or flows that aren't visible from the outside. And here's a bonus tip: start documenting everything as you go. Maintain a Notion page, Confluence space, or even a Google Doc where you record endpoint behavior, test scenarios, known issues, and assumptions. This not only helps you stay organized, but also builds internal documentation that helps future testers or developers. So to sum it up, test undocumented APIs with a mindset of a detective: observe, experiment, ask, and document. Don't let the lack of docs stop you. In fact, this is where you stand out as a skilled QA. You're not just testing functionality, you're uncovering behavior and helping build clarity in chaos. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more QA tips, and drop a comment if you face similar situations. I'd love to hear how you handled them. Until next time, keep testing smart and keep raising the quality bar.